Well, hey there, people. Well, I was just cutting my lawn and all of a sudden I had a high-speed wobble. No, the wheel didn't fall off. I thought it just came loose. I tried to tighten it. I didn't notice, but the rims actually broke in 3 spots. So I'm going to try to MacGyver something for now till I can buy a new wheel, but as if. And I just scrapped my old lawnmower. Sure, they were smaller wheels, but I bet you they would have fit. Anyway, I'll just take a trip to the our scrapyard or junkyard or our dump, and I'll grab a couple wheels because you can grab anything. So yeah, but for now, let's fix this up. I sort of have a plan to fix this wheel. I'll grab some nails. I thought they'd fit perfectly in there, but they don't, and I was just going to zip tie them. Put 2 nails and zip tie. I guess I can still do that. It doesn't have to be perfect, does it? Well, I wish I had some duct tape, then they would be fixed. All I can find is electrical tape. Anyway, we'll tape her up and hope it lasts a day there. The more I played with it, the more cracks I found. It's pretty rough shape. But anyway, it's as good as new now, and I can carry on cutting my grass. Well, I managed to finish my back lawn. Still holding up pretty good. A little bit wobbly, but both of them are really. Probably not made the best. See, the problem with these big wheels are like they don't like heels like this. It's like when I'm going sideways is when it happened. You know what I mean? All the pressure. So yeah, maybe I'll just put normal size wheels on it. Or we'll see. Some ATC tires. Even better yet, what I really need is a riding lawnmower. Okay, we're getting right fancy tonight. We're going to barbecue up some side pork and some frozen french fries. Yeah, good combo on the barbecue. I love side pork just as much as I love salad. Well, I ditched the tray. It was just taking too long. Now we're cooking. Seasoned in my favorite spice, Montreal steak spice. Love that stuff on everything. I think I love the salt in it is what it is. The frozen fries took longer than the meat. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're not going in? Cash thinks it's a path. Hey?
God, they love each other, eh?
Oh. Break the pool with her bubbiness.
Well, they're 2 big dogs, don't you think?
Look at the size of her, though.
Oh, look at her. She loves him.
Did you lose your ball under the deck?
I think so. That's what he's after.
Well, we just came back from the hardware store. We spent a fortune. We bought some stain for this fence of mine. So we bought 10 of these. Hopefully it's enough for my fence. It should be close. So yeah, I got a great deal on them actually. I got them from the local hardware store here in Thorsby, Home Hardware. They were regular $44.95 plus tax. I got them for 20 bucks plus tax. So I got 10 of them. Look at this guy, like, I'm telling him not to. Like I'm cutting up some firewood. I tell him not to, but he just has to. Hey, buddy. Where's your good stick? You got a better stick, a real one, a log. Where's your log, buddy? Watch, he's gonna go open the door by himself. He's gonna bring it in the house. No! Shelly's not gonna like that. Let's go see what Shelly thinks.
Look it, we stole that from you.
Yeah, you've been documenting it.
He dropped it on the kitchen floor.
It's bad. Come on.
Come on. Come on, sis.
So it looks like Cash is losing his buddy. He's going to be moving out at the end of the month. Yeah, my son finally got an apartment, and yeah, we're going to miss the old Zeusy. Cash especially. Anyway, we're going to Ontario in a couple of days, so we can't travel with him too much, probably. He's at it again. What's going on? What you got there, buddy? So when we built this fence, like I bought just a gray stain, and I'm not happy with it. Like it's just, you can't see the grain and stuff. So what I did when we built the fence, or when they built the fence, I painted between each board, and now it's kind of seeping out. Let me show you on the other side. Well, see how the stain just like kind of seeped into the wood? So I'd be happy with just clear, but we're gonna try the light gray, because I think it looks pretty cool like that. Let's go check out the neighbor's side. See, to me that looks good like that. Just a clear would be pretty cool. But we'll see. We'll do a little section with the new stain that we got and see what happens. Come on, Cash. Let's go. Let's go, buddy. Good boy. Well, I got my tank all hooked up. I wasn't getting any, we got a big rainstorm last night and it didn't get any water, so my buddy Graham's on the roof cleaning my eaves for me. There was a lot of gunk up there. And I started staining my fence. And the counselor that was supposed to lend me the sprayer, well, I guess he changed his mind, so I'm just doing it by hand. Paintbrush. There he is.
Hey.
Pretty messy up there, eh?
A little bit. Yeah, those lights are, the clip broke.
Oh, I know.
Been up there so long, it just kind of dry rotted.
Now he's doing Christmas decorations.
Oh, I'm up here. I'm gonna do it all.
Uh-oh. What's going on out here? Holy. Well, I'm just about done this side. I'm almost at the corner. What is that? 3 gallons. I would have got to the corner, but it started raining, so tomorrow's another day. It's supposed to be nice out, so we'll get lots done tomorrow. Boys. Hey, boys. Oh, here's the real fight. The brothers are scrapping. Uh-oh. That's what happens sometimes, right? Zeus is quite the instigator. Cash has got to do that once in a while just to show him his authority. Don't come hide by me, buddy. It is what it is. Pouring rain out here. Yeah, this just came over us. We sat in Graham's truck. It poured. Very cool. It's kind of sad that Zeus here is leaving on the 20th. Gonna miss him big time. I think we all are. Right? It's okay. You got a puff? Yeah, anyone's got a puff for me. Uh-oh. Troubles. Stay. Alright. Uh-huh. Oh no. All this love. Right? We're missing a Scrappy and Mom. Mom's sleeping though. Scrappy. Right on, people. Thanks a lot for watching. I really do appreciate it. Big cheers. And we'll talk to you guys later.